Hey guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. So we've got a Kia Rio today, and it looks like the clutch master cylinder has burst. We've got fluid everywhere. So it's same as the off the brakes. So we've got the reservoir here. We've got fluid everywhere. Sorry about the wind if it's a little bit too. It's right on the coast here. So you can see that there's fluid everywhere, and this should be relatively easy to change out. We've got two bolts. You can see the heads there, but you get to them from the inside, so it's a little bit of a contortionist trick to get in. Get a torch. Yeah, so you've got your clevis pin there, and then you've got that bolt, and then we should just be able to slide that straight out. Okay, well sorry, the nuts, it's studs coming through with nuts on the end. So I think they look like 13s, 13mm AF. Give me 2 seconds and let's have a look. Okay, so that's the clip out. Got the nuts off, so I had to use the spanner for the top one, couldn't quite get the wrench in, so that's that done. Now we'll move back round to the front, and we can see we've got it slack here. So what I need to do is take this off, and we'll get the new one out of the box, and we'll get ready just to transfer that straight over. So this clip just pulls up straight back into the new one, clip on, and then I'll do the same with this. I don't actually have, I mean, this is quite a hard pipe, I don't want to break it, so I wouldn't. I've got like clamps for squeezing rubber tube together for when you're changing them over, but I don't want to use it on this, so we'll just take the clip off and we'll put it straight on. Might lose a little bit of fluid, but I'll clean up in here when we're all done. Again, make sure that you do clean up. Brake fluid will take paint off if it's sitting for a little bit, and it will etch the metal as well. Alright, we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we've got it all back in there now. Got all the nuts tightened on the inside, got the 2 pipes on. All I used for this is, I have got a proper tool for doing these with the cable on it, but it's just as easy. All I did was just use these. There's the old one. So new one's on, we've just got to bleed it now. So I'm just going to wait for a helping hand. So bleed nipple is down there on the slave cylinder. So we'll just give it a couple of minutes, and then I'll get back on with it. So guys, this is it all done. Obviously that's the, showed you there before, that's the bleed point down there. We've bled it, same as bleeding brakes. Basically pump the clutch, hold the clutch down, open the nipple, let the fluid come out, close the nipple, pump the clutch a couple more times, and do that until there's no air left in. Obviously you need to keep topping up the reservoir. Don't let it go too far down, otherwise you'll start sucking air back in. So you need to make sure that that's keep topped up. You can get bottles, so you can it automatically fills as you're doing it, but obviously I just keep an eye on it. It's not far, it's right in your eye line, so it's right there. Okay guys, so that was a new master clutch cylinder for a Kia Rio. Basically all in all it takes about 20-25 minutes to change it. You do need 2 people to be able to bleed it, unless you've got like a, well, I've used, like in the past I've used like a pole, an adjustable pole, which you can pump the clutch with it, and then you hold it with the pole while you undo the nipple. But it's much easier with two people. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please, big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and pass it around to your friends. See if we can get as many subscribers as possible. Thanks again guys. Bye bye.